American Indians, are the original people of the United States. I would like to work with people in Yakutia to create an American Indian and Siberian Cultural Summit and an Arctic Peoples Festival. The United States Embassy brought me here. I can't afford to come from Albuquerque, New Mexico to Yakutsk on my money, and I've worked with the U.S. Embassy before in other countries, and I have found it to be a wonderful experience. I think that people should know what people in Yakutia are saying, performing, writing, filming, animating. Oh no, I mean, as an American, yeah, maybe they have some cute little folk dance groups and they do stuff with reindeer, don't they? That's it. Obviously, there's a lot more to Yakutia than reindeer and folk dance, as that one woman said. I want to, and I've been talking to people here in Yakutsk, and I will be talking to people in Moscow about, I want to create these events and let people hear what people in Yakutia are doing and saying now. Not what we think they should say, what they used to say, what the history books say they say. I don't care. I want to, what are they saying now? I'm not a politician. I deal with rock bands, not politics. I know that the situation is tense. That's all that I know, and I want to hear what people here are doing and saying. That's it.